To our honorable panelists, distinguished guests, our ever supportive advisor and instructor, my group mates, I greet you a good day. I will now start presenting our capstone project entitled CarFinder, an Android-based car rental management application. This is a capstone project by Sofia Nicole P. Dacot, Ben Paul Casanos, Janely C. Bughao, and Franz Kurt N. Cespedes. CarFinder is an Android-based car rental management application that caters to the car rental businesses of Malaybalay City. CarFinder is the official name of our mobile application. Our app serves as a platform for clients who wants to rent a car and for business owners who wants to have another platform to conduct their business. As of now, we have integrated JJL car rental and services to our platform. The problem the researchers are trying to solve is to automate car rental. The researchers provided a solution for the small city of Malaybalay vehicle rental business by creating a platform that becomes an avenue for renters and car rental companies. The researchers created the CarFinder, an Android-based car rental management application, to boost the city's tourism engagement. Our end users are identified as clients, those who rent cars, and the business owners of the car rental services. The problem with the current process of car rental is that it has the potential to be more efficient once automation is integrated. The CarFinder app provides a platform for clients to search for cars to rent, and the business owner, on the other hand, will be given a platform to take a new approach reaching their clients. Since a car is an expensive commodity, car rentals right now in the city of Malaybalay can be in demand. The researchers were able to develop a usable car rental application with features promoting efficiency of the rental process. The end users of the system were able to make use of the app's features such as creating an account, booking a car, and etc. The main objective of this study is to develop an Android-based car rental management application. Specifically, the first objective was to collaborate with the car rental service in the city of Malaybalay and integrate their business in the mobile application. During beta testing, we were able to test the usability of our app with the help of JJL car rental and services. We were able to apply their workflow in our app. The second objective was to design and develop a mobile application that will help car rental services in the city of Malaybalay. This has been evident through the development of the app. The third objective was to pilot test the CarFinder Android-based application with the help of JJL car rental services. The researchers have been in constant contact with the JJL car rental and services. The company has given comments and suggestions which were taken into account during development. The fourth objective was to beta test the CarFinder application by the car rental owners and its customers. And the last objective was to evaluate the functionality, applicability, and reliability of the CarFinder application, which was done via conducting a survey where the evaluation questions were based on the ISO 9126. According to Mitel Network Corp., mobile integration interfaces specific applications and gadgets to accomplish consistent information trade and enhance work processes. It helps increment adaptability and improves the effectiveness of different business measures. In an article titled Importance of Mobile Apps for Business and How It Skyrockets Your Business Growth by Krishna, mobile apps evolve to make things easier for everyone. From a business standpoint, a dedicated mobile app can offer a variety of new capabilities and benefits. Mobile apps allow you to engage customers deeper, build stronger customer relationships, and allow access to a suite of features that can help retain existing customers, encourage repeat bookings, and tap into a brand new market. New mobile information and communication technology-based capabilities can provide enterprise with the means to achieve dramatic gains in productivity, efficiency, and other critical business performance metrics. This study scope and limitation is the study is conducted in the city of Malaybalay. The application is developed to have a better car rental technique using mobile devices, which is very helpful nowadays. The application caters to JJL Car Rental and Services, a car rental business situated here in the city of Malaybalay. The business owners can add, edit, and delete the car list and its specifications. The app allows the clients to access and manipulate data to a certain extent. The app shows the list of reservations that have been made. It also adds new reservations and displays the list of cars available for rental. And the tourist spots that are promoted in the app are those situated in the area of Malaybalay City only. And the application is only available for Android devices. Our system's key system features for the client is that the login, where the clients can easily create accounts and log into them. Search and filter, where the clients can search and filter car types. Map and location, where the application has a map that the clients can use to locate nearby tourist spots to visit. We also have the booking, where the clients can book a car to rent by selecting desired available cars. We also have the browsing, where the clients can browse through the dashboard to view the list of cars. We have the payment, where clients can pay over the counter. And the rating, where clients can give ratings to car rental companies and their experience throughout the transaction after returning the car. As for the key system features of the business owner, they also have their login feature. The business owners can create accounts and log into them. They also have the car management features, where the business owners can manage their car list by using adding, editing, and deleting functions. They also have booking management, where the business owners can manage the booking transaction, and they can also approve and decline reservations. They also have the feature of assigning drivers, where business owners can assign drivers to rented cars. It can also generate reports, where the application can generate reports from the booking transaction, and can add policies. And the companies, the car rental businesses can add their policies in the mobile application. For the system architecture, the figure shown in the conceptual framework of the study, it tells that the mechanism of how the system works, as well as the course and outcome of each process. The clients and business owners have to input their information to fully access the features of the app. If the clients are done logging in and selecting cars to rent, they can proceed to process their booking transactions, which will be approved or declined by the business owners. For the output, the transaction will only be completed once the client pays over the counter. Both process and output can be iterated if necessary. The concept involved to solve the problem is that the researchers have used mobile user interface in our Java programming and for the database SQLite. We have conducted surveys for our research design. Our evaluation questionnaires were based on the ISO 9126. The survey method aided us in gathering information with the use of relevant questions from a sample of people with the aim of understanding populations as a whole. The questionnaire used for the survey was based on the ISO 9126 software evaluation, which is an international standard software quality model that aids in the development of a solid framework for evaluating software. The questions consist of the following characteristics, which is the functionality, reliability, usability, efficiency, portability, and applicability to test specific aspects of the application. Client customer requirements. The first is sign up. Clients and car rental businesses should be able to sign up to the mobile application successfully and be added to the database. For logging in, clients should be able to enter or log in into the mobile application successfully. Another is display car, where business owners should be able to display car details into the mobile application successfully. And another requirement is that the application should be able to confirm a booking. Business owners should be able to check and evaluate booking and can approve or decline booking. Another is book car, where clients should be able to successfully book a car and wait for approval from the business owner. We also have the cancellation of booking, where clients should be able to cancel a reservation or booking with a valid reason and to be accepted by the business owner. Another is upload requirements for car booking. Clients should be able to upload pictures of a valid driver's license and other supporting documents required by the company. Number 8 is upload requirements for business companies. Companies should be able to display their business permit number and other supporting documents that are proof that the business is legal. We also have data storage. Client and business owners and car rental history data should be successfully stored into the database. Another client customer requirement is that the app should be able to rate, the client should be able to rate the renting experience. Clients are able to give satisfactory or unsatisfactory ratings of their car rental experience. Another requirement is that the clients should be able to exit the mobile application successfully. And for number 12, have the availability of vehicles to be per hour, such as 8 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, and 24 hours per day. Owners should be able to display the duration options of their car rental. Number 13 is owners can add certain cars. Owners can add whether certain cars can be self-driven or can be assigned a driver. On the other hand, they can also assign cars who are solely provided drivers by the owner. And lastly, business owners should be able to upload their policies for their client's discretion. Design of software. Our software design involved architectural design with the use of data flow diagrams. Displayed in the level 0 data flow diagram, clients can browse cars displayed by the business owner, and clients can send the booking to the business owner. Then, the business owner sends feedback to the client. Then all the data that has been entered has been stored in the database. For displayed here in the level 1 data flow diagram, the business owner can sign up for the application before displaying their available cars. Then, the business owner can send feedback to those bookings that appear on their pending bookings. If the booking is approved, it notifies the client that the booking has been approved. After completing the rental, the vehicle will be available again, and all the data and updates from the business owner will be stored in all the data and updates from the business owner and clients will be stored in the database. Design of software. In developing our object-oriented software, the design was greatly assisted through the use of Unified Modeling Language (UML) tools. The figure displayed in the presentation shows that the process. This is the process flow system from installing the application to signing up of clients and business owner clients. The client can open the application directly or sign up first before opening the application, and it could be done the same by the business owner as well. After those clients open the application, they can browse through it and find their desired cars to rent. The While the other user, the business owner, can display their company details and the cars and their details about it. Then the client can rent the cars that are displayed on the application. The client needs to book the vehicle, then the business owner will confirm the booking of the client. The figure displayed identifies the flows of information between the system and external entities. In this case, our customer and car rental service provider. The researchers have also presented the interactions between those two entities. They have also included the application requirements from the customer and the car rental business. As you can see, both customer and car rental business use the car rental mobile application as its avenue. As the customer has inputs like username, password, etc., the car rental business also have their inputs like list of cars and their supporting details. They come together within the app and interact to complete a rental transaction. The app then provides the necessary data needed by the two separate entities. The researchers used for the beta testing details. The researchers used the traditional beta testing method. The researchers testers are from car rental employees from JJL Car Rental and Services, and people with or without prior experience to car renting. During the beta testing, the JJL Car Rental and Services, the researchers were able to add features recommended by the proprietor. Our system is distributed to a target audience, which were 20 respondents for our survey, which comprised of car rental employees and people with or without prior experience to renting a car. The related data is gathered in all aspects of the software, and it is reported back to the researchers for the system's improvements. Although the researchers had a few iterations during beta testing, the researchers were able to apply the comments and suggestions given to us by the business owner. One of the added features after having the beta testing with the proprietor were which he recommended that we should have the availability of vehicles to be per hour, such as 8 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, and another option for per day. As you can see here, we have placed the screenshot of that said feature. Another added feature is that particular cars can have the option to be self-driven or have the company assign a driver, because there are particular cars where the only option given by the business owners is that this particular car is only to be driven by a car rental driver. And lastly, the last added feature is to make the car status visible, whether it is available for rental or it is being rented. We assess the effectivity of our project by basing our evaluation questionnaire with the ISO 9126. Based on the ISO 9126, the characteristic functionality helps the researchers evaluate the system's usability, accuracy, and interoperability. The reliability helps the researchers evaluate the system's maturity and fault tolerance. The usability helps us evaluate the understandability and learnability and operability and attractiveness of the system. The efficiency tests the system's time behavior and resource behavior. The portability evaluates the system's adaptability, installability, and replaceability. And lastly, applicability evaluates the system's relevance and overall satisfaction with its usage. The researchers collected data from the survey, which consisted of 17 questions to evaluate the functionality of the application. Among the 20 respondents, 8 respondents had no prior experience in car rental services, and 12 respondents had prior experience. Out of the 12 responses, 8 of them were car rental company employees of the car rental service. They scored usability the highest. Aside from that, the results showed the usability of the application for respondents, whether with or without experience in car rental service. The researchers came up with the ideas in which areas to improve after analyzing the feedback of the respondents. The researchers would focus on reliability to ensure that the application would be reliable in handling the car rental transaction. They would also focus on improving the usability of the application, as it is one of the goals of the research. For the conclusion, from the results of the survey, among the 20 respondents, the usability questions got the highest scoring among them all. Overall, the testing results aid the researcher to see in which areas and features need further development. After calculating, the grand mean of the testing results is 3.89, which allows the app as overall to be rated positively. The grand mean of the testing shows that the respondents are satisfied with the application. The data includes that the application is usable and can be an effective new way of car rental transaction. Here are some of the recommendations that can be added to the application. The CarFinder's application's main purpose is to automate car rental transactions, thus providing both business owners and clients a convenient and faster way. The application works and can perform the task needed. However, as seen from the results mentioned before, there are some features that still need improvement. There are also some recommendations that may be added by the future researchers who would like to continue this research in order to improve its development. Here are the recommendations that can be added into the application. The addition of the global positioning device, or GPS. The GPS features will be beneficial for the business owners so that they can track their vehicle's location by looking into the application. They can do so by installing a GPS device that is connected to the application into each vehicle. Another is the online payment integration. Online payment integration is also suggested by the researchers, which enables the clients to transact through online banking for faster payment settling. Additionally, being able to pay using e-wallet such as GCash would be beneficial, as it is more familiar to use for some clients. Uh, Another recommendation is to improve security features. A two-way factor authentication can be added to improve the security of the application. The application needs to be cross-platform to and another the next recommendation for the application is to for for the application for the CarFinder application to cater non-Android devices. The application needs to cross-platform to cater non-Android devices. Another feature is that another recommendation to be added to the application is the messaging feature. The addition of messaging feature as a way to communicate within the application will enable fast and swift transactions for clients and business owners, and it can also be used to clarify some information between the two users. Another recommendation is to have the interface of the application to have an ethnic theme to showcase the 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 native Malaybalay city and its culture by displaying ethnic photos, and have the have have ethnic symbolisms throughout the design of the interface. Another feature and the last feature is to have the reports feature. Reports generation and rating feature is also encouraged to improve the quality of service that the car rental service can provide. Here are the following references for this presentation, and now I would like to proceed to show you our demonstration of the CarFinder application. Thank you so much for listening for this presentation.